Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss the last topic. Basically it's not the last topic, but in today's video I will be showing how you can create the background effect as Indian flag as you can see right now, and how you can give a border effect in a slide. Basically, the borders are not available in slide as in other documents or in MS Word, but in PowerPoint we are going to learn how we can apply such effect, how we can give a border look, as well as how we can give a Indian flag look to our slide. So for that, let us start and let us go through the video. So first of all, when you will create a presentation, then your presentation will be like this with a blank background with a white slide. In that, what we are going to do is we are going to design tab. In that design tab, we will go to background styles. Okay, we will go to background styles and then we will click on format background. After clicking on format background, we will get the dialog box like this. In that, we will go to gradients, and here you can see there are border effect present in the background. Can you see? I will be showing how I have done it actually. So I am just giving you a full screen view so that you could see that how it will look if you will give a border look to a slide. This will give a border look. As you know children, there is no border available in PowerPoint presentation. So for that, what we are going to do is anywhere do the right click, go for format background, or go to design tab and go to background style, select the format background. Here what we are going to do is, here we will go to preset color. In that I am just going to select any of the color. For example, this is the previous color. Okay, so here you can see there are 4 stops, 1, 2, 3 and 4 stops. These are known as stops. So what we are going to do is, we will give, first of all we will be keeping the linear, type we will be keeping the linear, and direction we will select afterwards. First of all we will be giving the colors of Indian flag. What is the color of Indian flag? First of all we will give the orange color. So for that, select the first top and then go to color और यहाँ पे click करो. Then you will get the color palette, and now we are going to select the orange. As we know, the first color is orange. Then in the center we have white. So I will be keeping the second stop as white color, and the third one also I will select it and I will change the color to the white. Then comes the last one. For this last one, what we are going to do, we will select the fourth stop. We will select the green color. Now you can see it is giving you a effect of Indian flag. Now you can move the stops and select the amount or select the range of gradient as per your need. You can just do it like this, and you can change it so that a good Indian flag is visible in front of you. After setting, do it. जितने भी changes करने कर लो. Once you do it, then you go to direction. यहाँ पे देखो direction दिखेगा. Now इसको कैसे रखना चाहते हो? इसको if you want to keep it linearly diagonal, then select it और ये वैसे हो जाएगा. As you are going to change, वो वैसे क्या हो जाएगा? Change हो रहा है. Direction आपके हिसाब से ये क्या हो जाएगा? चेंज हो जाएगा. अभी देखो ग्रीन ऊपर चला गया, रेड नीचे चला गया. तो इसके हिसाब से whatever is your requirement, according to your requirement, go and select the colors. So like this I have selected and I will click the close button. So My dear children, this is giving you an Indian flag look, isn't it? So you must try it and do it. Now, one more thing, we will always remember, कहीं भी right click करो, option आएगा format background. ठीक है, यहाँ पे देखो. Now I am going to change the directions, type as radial. Okay, I will be changing it as radial. Now here you see, you will get a circle effect now here you see how your Indian flag is looking. पहले वो सीधा था लेकिन अब वो कैसा है, अब ये सर्कल के फॉर्म में है. ठीक है, तो इसको आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू अप्लाई टू ऑल. ओके, ताकि ये सब पे क्या हो जाए, अप्लाई हो जाए, एंड सो दैट यू कुड सी इट प्रॉपर्ली. सी, दिस इज हाउ इट इज लुकिंग. This is the Indian flag look which we have given. This is the radial one. और राइट क्लिक करो, फॉर्मेट बैकग्राउंड पे जाओ और यहाँ पे रेडियल को चेंज करके क्या कर दो, लीनियर कर दो. और यहाँ पे चेंज करके चूज द कलर और ये क्या हो जाएगा, ऐसा हो जाएगा. सो दिस वी हैव गिवन द इंडियन फ्लैग लुक. नाउ वी विल मूव ऑन to the border effect. How we can apply the border effect to our slide. So for that, same thing we can do. We will go to insert tab, design tab, then go to format background, then go to format background, and here what we are going to do, we are going to keep only 2 stops. How many stops? We are going to keep only 2 stops. फर्स्ट वन आई विल बी कीपिंग, सेकेंड वन आई विल बी डिलीटिंग. ये जो क्रॉस है यहाँ से रिमूव कर दो, फिर यहाँ से क्या करो, रिमूव करो. तो हाउ मेनी स्टॉप्स आई हैव केप्ट, आई हैव ओनली केप्ट 2 स्टॉप्स. यू कैन सी हियर एंड हियर. एंड आई विल बी चेंजिंग द कलर. चूज द कलर एज पर योर रिक्वायरमेंट. लाइक आई विल बी चूजिंग येलो कलर and then I will be choosing green is also looking good, but I will go for red color. Okay, so 2 colors I have chosen, yellow and red. Now we will give the linear effect. कैसे देंगे, देखो ये जो दूसरा वाला स्टॉप है इसको ड्रैग करके क्या करो, यहाँ ले जाओ. यहाँ पे आ जाएंगे हम लोग. डायरेक्शन जो देख रहे हो, वी आर गोइंग टू चेंज द डायरेक्शन. व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू चेंज, वी आर गोइंग टू चेंज द डायरेक्शन. So for that what we will do, we will go to rectangular पे आके यहाँ पे, इससे पहले हम लोगों ने लीनियर देखा, रेडियल देखा, अब देख रहे हैं रेक्टेंगुलर. और डायरेक्शन में कहाँ आ जाएंगे, सेंटर. ठीक है, सेंटर. यहाँ देखो अब क्या है, इसको अपने हिसाब से चेंज कर लेंगे. रेड क्या है, एज अ बैकग्राउंड आ रहा है, एज अ बॉर्डर आ रहा है, और व्हाइट क्या आ रहा है हमारा, एज अ बैकग्राउंड आ रहा है. तो इसको हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर नीड उसको सेट कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज हाउ you can give a border effect. If you want, you can change the color also. Like if you want to change the red color and give it as a green color, then that also we can do. It is up to us. और याद रखो, इसको थोड़ा सा आगे रखो और दोनों को मेंटेन करो ताकि ये बॉर्डर क्या हो, अच्छा सा दिखे. एंड ऑलवेज कीप द डायरेक्शन एज सेंटर. कैसा रखना, सेंटर में रखना. Now apply to all. Now here you see we are getting a border effect. ऐसा लग रहा है कि स्लाइड के चारों ओर कैसा इफेक्ट है, बॉर्डर इफेक्ट है. So my dear children, this is the way you can apply different types of designs, different types of shades, different types of gradients and apply to your presentation. So please do try it children. Try both the flag and the border style of the slide. Thank you my dear children. I hope you would have enjoyed this video and do try. Thank you.